model, 2015 Peugeot BOXER 335 L2 diesel 2.2 HDi H2 professional van 130 PS. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 129436. MOT, 14 June 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 4 hhb. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has siezend, will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: part service history, air-con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,125. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074